kids, how are you? I hope that you will be fine and happy. Today we will read this chapter 13, the past tense. Okay, so let us start now this chapter, kids. Definition है, the past tense is used to express an action that has already occurred. Okay, the past tense has four forms in English. Number first time, simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Okay, चलिए डिस्कस करते हैं सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. This tense is used to indicate an action completed in the past. The simple past tense is formed where the second form of the example is mother cooked food in the evening. When we use a simple past tense, we often use words like generally, usually, always, often, sometimes to express some past habits. To form the negative in the simple past tense में, we use the past tense of the do along with the words not and the base form of the main verbs did not come. चलिए एग्जाम्पल है he did not eat a candy. To form interrogative sentence, we use did at the beginning of the question and did the main verb talking on its base form. एग्जाम्पल है वी वेंट बाय कार, डिड वी गो बाय कार. चलिए सिंपल पास्ट वर्सेस प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की. सिंपल पास्ट एक्सप्रेस एन इवेंट हैपेंड एट अ डेफिनेट टाइम, while the present perfect tense expresses the completion of an event by now. Example, I have read the poem but I did not understand it very well. ये हो गया हमारा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट की बात. आई रीड दिस पोएम यस्टरडे, ये हो गया हमारे सिंपल पास्ट. द सिंपल पास्ट हैज नो रिलेशन विद द प्रेजेंट, व्हाइल द प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस एक्सप्रेसेस द प्रेजेंट स्टेट और अ कंप्लीटेड एक्शन. एग्जांपल है ही लिव्ड इन गुजरात फॉर 5 years, ये हो गया हमारा सिंपल पास्ट. ही हैज लिव्ड इन गुजराती for 5 years, ये हो गया हमारा present perfect. Adverbs of the past time are not used in the present perfect tense, while they are often used in the simple past. Example, Tanu and Manav have brought a house, ये हो गया present perfect की बात. Mr. Tanu and Manav brought a house last year, हो गया simple past. Past continuous tense. The past continuous tense is used to talk of an action going on at some point in the past. We form the past continuous by using was and were with the ing from the main verb. Example is she was playing PS2 games when I reached home. Yesterday was sitting in a restaurant when the prince arrived there. To make the negative, we use the word not between the auxiliary and in from the main verb. Example है the children were not paying attention to the lecture. Except the girls was not taking her breakfast. To form the interrogative sentences, we use the helping verb to the beginning of the sentences. The subject comes between the auxiliary verbs and the in from the main verb. Example है Vibhu was waiting at the cafe. Was Vibhu waiting at the cafe? Next है we was sitting there. Were they sitting there? आगे है past perfect tense. We use the past perfect tense to describe an action completed before a certain point of time in the past before another action began. The structure of the past perfect tense is subject plus had plus verb की third form or object. Example like we had finished our homework then our father returned from office. To form the negative in the past perfect की बात करते हैं, we simply add not after the helping verb. Example है he had not eaten a candy. To form the interrogative, bring the helping verb to the beginning of the sentence. The subject comes between the auxiliary verb and the past participle of the main verb. एग्जाम्पल है You had made tomato soup that day. Had you made tomato soup that day? Okay, चलिए आगे है past perfect continuous tense. It is used to indicate an action that occurred before a certain point of time in the past and continued up that moment was still in progress at that moment or had recently finished. स्ट्रक्चर है सब्जेक्ट प्लस हैड प्लस बीइंग प्लस वर्ब की फर्स्ट होंगे जब आईएनजी और ओके चलिए एग्जांपल है शिवम हैड बीन वर्किंग फॉर 5 years when the bell rang. And the above sentences with term of an action that started in the past and that continued up until another time in the past. Okay? चलिए आगे to form the negative in the past perfect continuous, we simply add not after the helping verb. Next, for example, had not been cleaning and had not been eating. To form the interrogative, we bring the helping verb होती है had के साथ beginning of the sentence. The subject comes between the auxiliary verb ing के साथ main verb में. Example है they had been playing all evening. और इंटरोगेटिव बनाएंगे had they been playing all evening वाला में question mark. Okay. Now kids, this chapter will be completed. I hope that you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.